My research project is exploring anti-proliferative activity of Artemisia alba. Artemisia alba is a plant, and we'll be using the essential oils to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. The purpose of this is to see if there's a more natural, less invasive way of treating cancer that could reduce some of the harmful side effects that most cancer patients feel after some common treatments. I think the most interesting thing that I discovered is working with cells is very, very difficult. They're kind of like children. You have to be gentle with them. You have to take the care and love and time in order to keep them healthy, because if they're not healthy, you can't run an experiment. Hopefully, if my hypothesis is correct, we have discovered an alternative way of treating cancer, and that could save numerous lives. This project gave me a sense of direction. It helped focus me on what I wanted to do in the future. Now I know that I want to work in a laboratory, and I would like to continue with doing similar research, so I enjoyed working on this project because it did help me gain that perspective. I've always enjoyed science, but I never really understood all the steps that were required in research. This gave me a greater appreciation for scientists and researchers, because there's really a lot of things that are involved. It's a lot more than just fooling around in the lab. You actually have to know a lot and put a lot of time and effort into it. I would definitely recommend undergraduate research to my fellow students because it gives students a broader sense. It exposes them to things that they would never normally be exposed to. It allows them to communicate their ideas. It allows them to conduct their own research to actually get a feel of how things work and why. Actually, the first initial reason I decided to major in food science, one day I was just flipping the channels and I saw on Food Network different careers, and I saw people in the field of food product development, and I thought that was very interesting, and that initially sparked my interest in food science. And then as I explored it more and I saw all the different aspects of food science, like food safety and food microbiology, it just really spoke to my heart. The things that excite me most about my major is that it's ever-changing and there are always new discoveries. There are always new aspects to discover and explore, so it never gets dull or boring. Food science is a major that more students need to go into, because as humans, we all enjoy food. And now there's so many debates about, is this safe, is that safe? And you really don't understand what's going on, and you can't really rely on what you see on TV. It's important for you to understand. Food science is a major that explains that to you. You want to know what you and your family are putting in your bodies. And if you major in food science, you can explore what's going on from the farm to the manufacturers to the table. You can also create your own dishes, your own foods. You can also engineer your own methods of protecting your food that are safer for you and your future generations.